jobs, ain't got no to pay. I can't see right now. I feel drunk. Not drunk, but I feel drunk. He used to meet me on the east side, the city where the sun don't set.
Yeah, run in the middle of the fucking street, please. I'm sweating.
Hey guys, it's Selena Gomez. Can everybody hop off my
dick?
I'm sweating. I'm sweating so bad.
That's the tea, sis. Love you, and I need you. I was not supposed to take a nap. No, that was not in the plan. I was gonna take a quick little cat nap for 20-30 minutes. Set 3 alarms. None of them woke me up. Give me the bangers.
I'm really bored.
They don't have friends.
Bye, kitty girl.
Think of something funny. Those girls are watching me. Stop watching me. Stop watching me. Stop watching me. I can see you watching me. Anyways, we are broke in 2018. Okay, that is the tea. That is the tea, sis. Sis, the tea is there. It is all there. And
God, I'm hungry.
if that's who I think it is, I'm going to flip my lid. Honeys, yes. I will. I will flip
My fucking lid.
Before you go. Look at my hair right now. Let's turn it all the way down, and then we can have a surprise when I turn it back up.
Story time.
Over the weekend, everybody that parks in this parking lot got an email saying we're having Bands of America competition this weekend. Like, you need to move your cars by 4 a.m. on Saturday. So basically like Friday night. So I'm like, what the fuck? Like, first of all, my fucking stubborn dumbass was like,
No, I'm not moving my car. I pay for that parking lot. Blah, 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 blah. Why can't they move there? Why can't they park in the parking lot that we have to move our cars to?
okay. Thought I had a valid point, not gonna lie. Friday night, I'm walking to my friend's apartment, and I look in the parking lot. There's still a couple cars there. Like, my car's not the only one, like, left or whatever. My roommate was
Like, fuck no, I'm not moving my car either. So we're like, fuck it, we're not gonna move our cars.
Then we're walking to our friend's apartment, and then there's, like, a sign that's up, like, in the other parking lot. And it's, like, cars that remain in the parking lot, like, will be cited and towed. So we're like,
Oh shit, okay.
so we couldn't move our cars, like, at that moment because of other certain reasons. So Molly, my roommate, got one of our other roommates to move her car for her. So Molly got her car moved into the other parking lot, and I'm like,
Well, fuck. What am I gonna fucking do?
Friday night, I'm walking back with my friend, and I'm like,
Fuck. Like, my car. Like, what am I gonna do?
it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Like, they're not actually gonna tow. So then I'm thinking about it. I get upstairs in my room. It's like 4 a.m. Like, literally 4 a.m. And I'm like, fuck. Like, if my car gets towed, like, I'm gonna be a goner. It's
See ya season. Sayonara, bitch.
because you're stupid. So I'm like, no, like, I need to move my fucking car. So I text my friend, and I'm like,
Dude, come with me to go get my car.
he's like, okay, bet. So we're walking out of my fucking building, and the people at the front desk are like,
Are y'all going to move your cars?
and I was like,
Like, yeah.
and she's like,
You better run because they're out there towing cars.
I was
Like, oh, fuck.
So we literally book it out the fucking door, and I look in the parking lot, and they're literally towing. They're literally towing fucking cars away. My God, if I literally would have waited like 2 minutes, my shit would have been fucking gone. I am never going to underestimate the parking police at ISU because fuck, that shit would have.
Ooh,
And he's watching me, and he definitely sees my camera.
It's the new thing, so go see Prima Beauty in downtown Bloomington and keep your radios on every Tuesday. So we
Talking
Bye.
about down payments.
$dollars a month.
I have
And
no
it's the
gas.
Free.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends and that's a plan.
I wish I had a best friend that would like do everything with me, but she's in Mantino. Who wants to be my bestie?
Let me tell you about life and about the way it is.
The way your dancing, swinging to the music, girl, that body and how you move it.
I love this song!
Dropped in February 2019 with the
Why do people only want to talk to me when I'm fucking doing something? Molly Percocet. Chase a chick. Never chase a bitch. If I never get to see the northern lights.
Got money on my mind, I can never get enough.
Every time I step up in your building, everybody hands go up. Oh my god! I love the Red Hot Chili Peppers. They played Scar Tissue. I would
Lose it.
I've been sober, 'cause there ain't no hangover like you. Yeah. I love this song. I've been sober since you broke my heart in two. As can be simple if I am be what? You until I find something new that get me high like you do. Let's boot up, deada, boot up, my heart go bottom, boot up. Making this hard, I got me taking see it don't feel. Sorry, kitty girls, have to cut it off at some point. But so we started this journey when it was 5:45. It is now 6:48 and it is dark out. I am still in the parking lot. Goodbye, kitty girls.